So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to track click-through rate on emails through PT Distinction. So one thing to get asked quite a lot is it possible to get analytics on emails sent through PT Distinction? Now you might be asking, why would you want to do that? I know it's going out to my clients. Well, if you've watched any of the masterclasses, you'll know by now that you can obviously set up groups and you can set automation within those groups, but you can also link it to print-only clients so that you can send out mass emails to not just your online clients and print-only clients. And by using the automation features, you can actually use those features to bring in leads. So for example, you might have a 7-day free trial or something like that, where you want to bring them in, they'll finish the 7-day free trial and they go to print-only clients. So these will form part of your list. Now, obviously, it is possible to export those names and those email addresses and put them into software like MailChimp. You could do it that way. However, it's an extra step, and if anyone knows me, I'm all about automation and time saving within your business. So I want to show you how you can use PT Distinction to track some of the information that you would normally be able to track analytics-wise inside MailChimp, or something like MailChimp anyway. So one thing you can't do with inside PT Distinction is track the open rate of your emails. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, there is possibly a way of doing it, and that's true. There is technically a way of doing it. You can use something called pixel-based images, where you put an image that you can't really see inside the email, there's a pixel inside that, and you can track it whether it's been opened or not. The reason I'm not going to tell you how to do that is because, especially with some of the new changes in spam regulations, so many of those emails will go to spam, and they're probably going to get seen anyway. So I really wouldn't advise doing that. However, what I would say do if you want to track your click-through rate, which is clients or people who receive your emails clicking the links within inside it to go and do something, then you can do that inside PT Distinction. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it, but before you do that, what you need to go and do is go and set yourself up a Gmail account or a Google account. It doesn't have to be a paid one, it can be the free one. As long as you've got one of them, that'll be fine. So we're inside PT Distinction, we're inside your mail group, and we're going to go and set up an email to go out. So I'm going to click email, call it a schedule one. It can go out on, I don't know, one day after joining, for example. Give it a title, hey, give it a time, 9. I'm just going to put hey, we'll put the placeholder in, pop this inside. Now, you can obviously link anything inside it. It can be a document you want your clients or possible leads to see. It could be a link to your website where they can sign up for a free trial or free product or something like that. Whatever you want to track, basically, you can do it, and it all works exactly the same way. It doesn't matter what you use. So you put the content inside your email, and somewhere within that, you'll have a click here to whatever, basically. And you obviously want to turn this into a link that you can track. And this is how we do it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Google and just type in Google URL shortener. It'll open up this, you can click on that, and it'll take you through to this link here. Inside here then, that's where you're going to put your link to your website, your lead magnet, your tripwire, your document guide, whatever it is. So in this case, I'm actually going to use this here, which is a comparison sheet for the done for you packages. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to head over to my URL shortener, paste it in there, and hit shorten URL. As you can see, it's now shortened it into this small little block here. I can then copy that to my clipboard. And then what I do is head back over to PT Distinction, highlight the text I want to add the link to, hit the little link icon, paste it inside, select whether I want it to open a new window or not, and then in the title I'll put something inside there like, guide or free guide or link to a website, whatever it is. I'll put something inside there, hit OK, and then that is that link set up. So now when that goes out to your clients, once you've hit save, when it goes out to your clients, they'll be able to click that. And then when you go to your Google URL shortener, so as you can see, when I just Google that and open it up, because I'm already logged into my Google account, you'll see I've got a list of all the URLs I've sent out, and it gives you a list of links. So if I was to click on here, for example, it tells you how many clicks I've got. And if I click on this option here, it shows you the analytic data for that link that I've just created. So there it is, the Dropbox one. It tells you the total number of clicks, the browsers they're on, the platforms they're using, whereabouts they are in the world, and that kind of thing. So it gives you a decent amount of analytics for that particular one and whether it's been opened or not. So hopefully that gives you an idea about how you can track a bit of click-through rate on PT Distinction emails. As always, guys, if you've got any questions or you want to learn how to do something, or you want to give me a challenge to try and figure something out that you can do with PT Distinction, feel free just to comment, let me know, and I'll do my best to try and help you out. Right, cheers, guys. Thanks. Bye.